In this video, we are going to debunk 4 myths about personal injury lawsuits. Myth number 1 is that anybody can file a lawsuit and get rich. In my 30 plus years of practice, I rarely see somebody get rich. That's because it doesn't happen. When somebody recovers in a court of law in a personal injury case, rarely do they get a lot of money. What they do recover is medical bills, lost wages, and things that are lost, like personal injury that they've sustained or will sustain for the rest of their life, loss of a normal life. What's happened in reality is that most people that have very serious injuries do not recover even a small percentage of what they've lost. Only if the defendant has the resources to pay that person will they be compensated to the full amount. And that is rare. So that is one huge myth, is that people that are filing personal injury cases are getting rich. Untrue. Myth number 2, hiring a personal injury lawyer makes things more adversarial. Absolutely untrue. Insurance companies are experts in litigation. That's all they do. They hire the best lawyers. They pay top dollar to these lawyers to defend serious injury claims. When you hire a personal injury lawyer that's very good, you level the playing field. So now you're asking the right questions in the insurance company. You're finding out all of the people that are owed money, including medical care providers, employers, pension plans. Those are the type of folks that are going to try and get money from your personal injury recovery. If you don't have a personal injury lawyer against these insurance companies that are hiring the best people, you are way behind the 8 ball. Myth number 3, insurance companies will take care of you fairly. The insurance companies that are handling claims are in the business of representing the insurance company, not you. Now, I have no problem with that in our capitalistic society here, because insurance companies, their job is to make money. However, if you have a personal injury lawyer, they're representing your interests only, not the insurance companies. Because the insurance company, even your own insurance company, if you have an uninsured or underinsured motorist claim, they're not on your side. They're trying to minimize the amount that they pay out to you. In fact, insurance companies train their claims people to use the system to their advantage. It's rare, very rare. There are early settlements in very serious injury cases because they want to hold on to the money as long as they can to make sure that they can earn money on their reserves while they're delaying payment to you. That is the way it works. It doesn't get more adversarial. It becomes less adversarial. Myth number 4, personal injury cases are frivolous. They always say, follow the money. If you have a frivolous claim or a frivolous lawsuit, you will recover 0, and the lawyer gets paid on the recovery. So a high percentage of 0 is still 0. So it's not in the interest of a lawyer to file a frivolous lawsuit. They're rarely filed. It doesn't happen hardly at all, especially in medical negligence cases or bigger cases, because the amount of money that a lawyer and his client must incur to recover is extensive. There's no way that a lawyer or their client will spend a lot of money in a frivolous case when there will be no chance of recovery.